want to go play with them? Look.
To play with Funny á. Just take one. Just take one.
Yeah. Look at her. You want to go play with them?
No. Play with your sister, brother, or sister. Not boy or girl. The pee hả nó? Yeah. The boy there.
No, there's two of them right there. They look like each other, so you can't tell. Tony said his groundhog might hurt the cats. I said, no, the groundhogs don't bother our cats.
Chắc bà groundhog nó tập lên như nào?
He has a groundhog too, just it's fat.
Ngô si... hay, lật chi lật tay em bỏ chi đâu.
Look at Eevee. Eevee, you want some sisters? Huh? You want some sisters? You want some sisters to play with? Huh? Look. Eevee, you want some sisters? You want someone to play with?